All that water is back again, guys. We have some heavy winds today again, but we do have the sun out as well. It's a nice comfortable 23 degrees. So I guess we have to take this for granted then, right? So today I'm gonna explore the Levante Beach, as this is probably the most spectacular, busiest part of Benidorm right now. Because with 23 degrees, it feels like spring is starting, summer is on its way. Feels amazing. But enough about this part. Let's continue towards the rest, the bars and everything. How busy are they? Do people enjoy the sunshine that is out here today? It is quite windy, but for now on the promenade I don't need my mic. So the wind isn't over here, but it's definitely back there, as you can see on the waves in the distance. But with this one beautiful day, does it mean that spring is kicking in? Well, at least I hope so. There are going to be some worse days as well. I believe there's some rain coming as well in the upcoming week, just a little. But it does promise again to be 24 degrees next week, so let's hope so. And as well, do help me out. Do give the video a like, please. It does greatly help. And do subscribe to the channel. As well, please let me know in the comments. I'm really curious. Is this as well happening at your place? So please let me know in the comments, is the weather improving in the area where you are right now, where you live? Or do you think, oh, I'm tired of it, of all the rain, I want to escape? Let's book a flight to Benidorm. Because it is beautiful like this. I mean, those 23 degrees, I could get used to that, so let's hope it'll stay. So before we're going to continue the rest with the Heartbreak bar and many more to come, I'm going to take a right up here. There's a new bar coming up at the end of this street, well, on the Mediterráneo. So let's check out the construction progress. It is really quiet out here right now, but in summer this is one of the more popular streets to eat at. There's plenty enough of good food to get over here. Good restaurants, some proper bars, some hidden gems as well. So definitely worth exploring. And here we are at that place where the new bar is coming. Massive renovations currently going on there. And right on the Mediterráneo. But I'm gonna go head back towards the beach. This area doesn't look the best, and we got the sunset over there. Do you see that over there? That platform? One of those wooden platforms that are all lined up on the side, all got drifted away by the ocean. Oh, and it ain't the only bit. Much more over there. Oh, those waves in the corner over there near the old town. I'm gonna head there later when I get there, but the waves are really tall back there. Definitely not weather to swim, but still the ocean is quite cold, so I wouldn't go for a dip. Got some more wood over here. And on the opposite, no people anymore. The Tiki town is completely empty. But yeah, it is getting dinner time. But you can also get good food over here. Really nice bar to enjoy some drinks in at the summer. looks like I won't be able to get towards the ocean or from this point onward. In fact, the ocean comes to us. Wow, there's literally nothing left at this small part. It wasn't big at all. Right now, as you can see, nothing. Even came all the way up to here. That ain't the case anymore. Well, at least at this moment. Really high waves. That came quite close, even up until there. Whoa. That's it, considering today's walk. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget, hit that like, do subscribe. And hopefully the weather stays like this over here. I'm fine with the wind and having just a half beach.